looking for a machine to make respirator filter pads, this machine provides a simple and stable solution for automatic production. One machine can make different support frame shapes and logos can be customized as well. The machine uses PLC control. Every respirator filter has different needs. This machine can be customized for different filter designs. The material layers support frames, and the logo printing can be changed based on your requirements.